In order to change the language in DeepSeek AI, you have to follow the simple steps. First of all, open the DeepSeek AI application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now tap on the two lines in the top left corner of the screen and then tap on your profile. Now from the setting, drag your attention to App section where you will find two different options, that is color scheme and app language. Tap on app language and here you can see that the app language has been set to English for my device, and if you want to set to any other device, you can scroll through all these options available and then tap on any one language you'd like to set. For instance, let's set Spanish. Tap on Spanish and then tap on Done. After that, restart the application and the changes will be applied. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can change language setting on your DeepSeek AI application. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.